So key 2025 trends, I mentioned this a little bit, but I'm coming back to it. Agentic AI, probably every one of us has at least heard the term agentic AI. If you're interested in this talk, you came here, you've already heard about agents. I almost guarantee it, right? So agentic AI are AI systems that perform tasks independently through automation tools, or they allow us to automate various processes. Because one of the ways that oh, great. Thanks. We got a question. I'm going to get to that. Get to your question in just a sec, David. So one of the ways that agentic AI works is that if we consider that the goal of most AI systems is something called goal-directed adaptive behavior, right? It's like a four-word description of what AI can do. Goal-directed adaptive behavior, right? Being able to behave in such a way while adapting to circumstances in order to reach or meet some objective or goal, right? So what agentic AI can do, for example, is that it allows us to reduce the level of human interactivity required, or coaching, or back and forth, and hand holding, so that it can do more on its own. Really, that's what I think about when I think about agentic AI. And actually, even the phrase agentic is still coagulating. It's still not a solid one and done, AI agent. So when people talk about AI agents, just know that it's not as limited or refined as something like retrieval augmented generation